I have this creatine monohydrate gummies here, and as you can see, I've actually been taking them. So I've been taking them, and I've found that these are actually pretty impressive. So you can see here that it contains all these formulas right here. It provides energy, performance, endurance, and strength. It has 120 gummies, so this is recommended to take serving size, which is 4 gummies. And if you do that with this container, it'll last you 30 days, which is about a month. And you can see all the ingredients that it has here, and you can see here servings per container, 30. You can see the calories. I mean, it has a little bit. It has all these vitamins, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, BCAA, creatine, which is the main source for this. You can see here sugar-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, 100% vegan. And it does have this warning label here. It just says do not exceed the recommended dose if you're under age 18 or if you're pregnant. Consult with your doctor. But overall, these are actually pretty good. So you want to make sure that you take these. It's recommended to take it before training. But of course, I mean, you can take it after the training. It just depends on the day. You don't want to take them right before you go to sleep or anything, because then you're not going to feel, the results 100% as far as energy and endurance and, the strength, performance, all that. So it is recommended to take it before you work out. But, this is something that you don't technically have to be working out. But if you're taking creatine, that's to help, gain muscle, tone up, just, shape your body the way you want it. But you do have to be working out, exercise, not necessarily lifting heavy weights, but you do have to be, some type of exercise. But definitely, you'll definitely see results with these if you're, proper diet and you're working out. So check it out. I definitely recommend it.